Ras yr Iaith is a fun run for the Welsh language. We're passing the language baton from one town to the other. This is the second year. This year's race starts in Bangor at 9:15 on Wednesday, the 6th of July. So we'll be running through the centre of Bangor, Bethesda, Betws y Coed, Llanrwst, Brenin Ffestiniog, Bala, Dolgella and finishing Machynlleth. The second day starts in Aberystwyth at 9:15. That's on the 7th of July. So Aberystwyth, Tregaron, Lampeter, Aberaeron, Newquay, Llandysul, Newcastle Emlyn and finishing in Cardigan. And the third day starting Crymych at 8:15. So Crymych, Arbeth, Tenby, St Clair's, Carmarthen, Ammanford, Bryn Aman, Llandovery and then finishing in Llandeilo. We'd like you to become a part of it. You can sponsor a kilometre on behalf of a business or a club or a society, a chapel or even Merched y Wawr. And for that kilometre, the money that goes back towards the Welsh language. We'd also like people to run part of the race and to steward and to support us along the route. So if you go to our website, rasoriaith.cymru, you'll see all the details there. We want people who are fluent Welsh speakers, people who are learning, people who don't even speak the language, but are supportive of the Welsh language. So be part of the fun this July with the second Ras yr Iaith. Diolch.